What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this Realme 11 Pro. I know a lot of my subscribers and regular viewers would ask me why didn't I get the Realme 11 Pro Plus. I actually have also got the Realme 11 Pro Plus, but the thing is, other than the main sensor and an additional ultra-wide sensor, the performance of Realme 11 Pro Plus is the same as Realme 11 Pro. Oh yeah, that one also comes with a 100-watt faster charger, but I think this Realme 11 Pro actually offers better value for money than that Realme 11 Pro Plus. Anyway, I will also do a review of Realme 11 Pro Plus. Okay, if you want me to do any dedicated camera comparison between this Realme 11 Pro, Realme 11 Pro Plus and some other smartphones, then please don't forget to make a comment and let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. At the beginning, let's check the price and specifications of Realme 11 Pro. MediaTek Dimensity 7050, 8 or 12 GB of RAM, 256 or 512 GB of storage. This is UFS 3.1. 6.7-inch AMOLED panel with HDR10 Plus support and 120Hz refresh rate. It's good to see that this one comes with 2160Hz PWM. Stereo speakers setup, 100 megapixel OmniVision main sensor with OIS, 2 megapixel macro sensor, 16 megapixel Samsung selfie sensor, Android 13 along with Realme UI 4.0, under display optical fingerprint sensor, 5000 mAh battery, 67-watt wire charger. 8 plus 256 GB base variant comes with a 67-watt charger and costs 1799 RMB in China. This is equivalent to 14,500 Filipino peso, 22,000 Indian rupees, 28,000 Bangladeshi taka, 237 euros. Let's start from unboxing. A smaller package than GT series. Yeah, inside the box, nothing different than other Realme smartphones. After removing the top lid, the first thing we get is a TPU silicon protective case along with some warranty papers, a quick start guide and a SIM ejector tool. Underneath that, that's our Realme 11 Pro. Let's put the phone aside for a while. Inside the box, we have got a 67-watt SuperVOOC charger. Realme has also provided a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, a premium quality charging cable. Okay, now it's time to move everything aside and unwrap this new budget monster, Realme 11 Pro. This is Realme 11 Pro. I think considering its price and specifications, we should tag this smartphone as a typical budget smartphone. In hand, it definitely feels better than its competitors. I really like this white color variant. This vegan leather rear panel is much more appealing than glass panel rear design. I think it looks more attractive because it has a nice racing stripe and some real stitching with high quality threads. This looks pretty and elegant. I'm surprised to see build quality is really as good as its bigger brothers from GT series. However, the frame is made of plastic. Nothing to be worried, but I wish it had a metal frame. On top, you will notice a speaker cutout for proper stereo sound and a secondary noise cancellation microphone. At the bottom, there is a cutout for speaker, USB-C port, primary microphone and a dual SIM compact SIM tray. I love to use my smartphones either with a premium protective case or without any protective case. I think I will choose the second option. I really don't want to ruin this stunning design and feel with a cheap protective case. Anyway, here is our Realme 11 Pro with the provided protective case. If you are planning to keep the phone out of scratches to get a better resale value in future, then you should use the protective case. One more time, other than the Realme logo at the back, this is an astonishing design. I personally like this, but outlook is pretty much subjective and varies based on personal preferences. Realme 11 Pro comes with a 5000 mAh battery and a 67-watt SuperVOOC charger. Realme 11 Pro takes 10 minutes to get from 0 to 25% and takes around 22 minutes to get to 50%. Finally, it takes another 24 minutes to get all the juice back in its battery cell. That means Realme 11 Pro takes 46 minutes to get fully charged. I have managed to squeeze up to 8 hours of screen on time with auto refresh rate. But depending on your display settings, it will vary. Certainly, battery will get drained faster if you use 120Hz refresh rate. I recommend you to use auto refresh rate along with balanced performance mode if you need longer battery life. Realme 11 Pro comes with a 6.7-inch AMOLED panel. I wish Realme 11 Pro also had a 2K panel like its bigger brothers. But considering its price, I am satisfied with its FHD Plus AMOLED panel. Color calibration is good enough. It's neither too vibrant nor too flat. Eye-pleasing yet natural. In bright environment, it goes very bright, and in dark environment, due to having 2160Hz PWM, this display panel performs very well. Yeah, white is very bright, black is truly dark, colors are vivid and vibrant. All the standard features like dark mode, eye care, 2160Hz PWM, color scheme, video enhancer, everything is there in the display settings, and all of these works perfectly fine. Personally, I would prefer this display panel among all the smartphones within this price segment. Considering the price of this Realme 11 Pro, performance of this panel is amazing. 1080p panel with 120Hz refresh rate offers snappy and buttery smooth user experience. Time to check stereo speaker setup of Realme 11 Pro. I have tested many smartphones through the years, and finally I'm happy to see that a budget smartphone offering amazing stereo performance. I will let you listen to some music. You decide by yourself.
Scary when she wants your daddy and she finds out where you live. Creeping in the shadows, eating poisoned apples. She's nothing like you ever seen. Her mood goes up and down.
Realme 11 Pro comes with Realme UI 4 and Android 13 out of the box. All the standard features are there. Nowadays, there is no difference between Realme UI, ColorOS and Oxygen OS. Even the spatial features are the same. We can expand the RAM up to 6GB, which is a nice feature. Okay, let's talk about biometrics. Fingerprint sensor is not side mounted. That's a nice thing. It's an under-display optical sensor. It's as good as any other mid-range smartphones. It's the same process as any other smartphones and works perfectly well. No issues, no complaints. Also, as usual, there is a 2D face unlock option available, so if you wanna use, you can. It's fast and smooth, but not that secure. Now it's time for Antutu benchmark. I ran Antutu benchmark back-to-back 3 times to check whether there is any thermal throttling or not. I am happy to see that Realme 11 Pro has continuously got 544,000 back-to-back 3 times. Check the temperature. It's not even increasing. I am surprised, actually delighted. Finally, the mid-range and budget smartphones are pushing hard to break the barrier. Almost no thermal throttling and very stable performance. Realme 11 Pro comes with 2 sensors at the back. There is a 100 megapixel main sensor with OIS and a gimmicky 2 megapixel sensor for macro photos. The main sensor for photos and videos. Yeah, in this segment, Realme has really done very well. I didn't think or expect this result. I have tried to take some photos of Lina in some different lighting conditions side by side with Poco F5 Pro. Realme has actually won by a big margin. But the question is, can Realme 11 Pro or Realme 11 Pro Plus compete with Google Pixel 7a? To know the answer, you have to wait for the dedicated camera comparison video between Realme 11 Pro Plus and Google Pixel 7a. Anyway, let's enjoy the photos and videos and check the differences. What do you think? Has Realme actually improved? I think yes, especially in 4K video performance. Time to evaluate gaming performance. The truth is, in real life, Realme 11 Pro gaming performance is better than Poco F5. Trust me, this one provides efficient performance with super stability. I mean, almost no throttling even after playing games for hours after hours. In most of the games, Realme 11 Pro has performed very well, especially while playing graphics-intensive games for a longer period of time. It has provided steady frame rate and I have never felt any thermal throttling. However, as this is a budget chipset-based smartphone, you may not be able to select high graphics and high frame rate in most of the games. I think that's okay, because you are actually getting more than what you are paying for. And yeah, kudos to Realme for being able to balance between thermal issues and performance. Okay, if you're like me, if you want to use banking applications on your smartphone, then you have to check Safety Net. Well, Realme 11 Pro has passed Safety Net, so yeah, we can use banking applications on this smartphone without any hesitation or without any issue. Let's check DRM. Well, I am a bit disappointed. But truly, should I be disappointed? Because this is a budget device and this one comes with level 3 certification. Okay, what do you think? Is it the best budget smartphone available on the market right now? I think considering the price in Chinese market, it's really one of the best. But in global market, the price will get a bit higher due to duty fee, taxes and many other things. But even if this one gets released within $425 in global market, I would still recommend this one to my subscribers and regular viewers, because even at $425, this one will offer better value for money than all of its competitors. What do you think about this Realme 11 Pro? Please don't forget to make a comment and share your thoughts and ideas in the comment section below. Also, if you haven't joined our Telegram group yet, the link is given in the pinned comment. Please join our Telegram group. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.